Researching a stock is an essential step before making an investment. If your investments are not informed by a solid research process, you could subject yourself to risks that would have otherwise been avoidable. A solid research process involves first learning the basics of the business, including what it does and how it makes money, as well as the economic environment it operates in. Then, it is a matter of delving into the finances of the business to determine its profitability, safety, and how it compared to its peers. Researching. 1. Find out which companies hold the largest market shares. In order to assess the company, you will need some basic information on its competitors. Start by obtaining a Standard & Poor's industry survey for the company's industry. This report contains financial information for the largest companies in the industry and ranks them by size. You can also get historical industry surveys going back to 1971. This information can be obtained on the S&P Global Market Intelligence website. 2. Look for basic industry information. Start by figuring out specifically what industry your chosen company is in. Industries are split up into categories by the North American Industry Classification System. These are numbered categories and refer to a broad industry within the North American economy. NAICS numbers can be found easily online. Then, do research to assess the size of the industry. Look for annual industry revenues and the number of companies in the industry. In addition, find figures on industry growth, including annual percentage growth and growth in the number of companies. 3. Research regulatory issues. Look for any barriers, trade agreements, regulatory rulings, or other government decisions that might be affecting the industry either now or down the road. These regulatory rulings can be either positive or negative in their effects on an industry or specific companies. Look for regulatory news on market websites like the Wall Street Journal and Blue. 4. Assess future trends in the industry. Look into industry growth, trends, and expectations for the future. For example, consider any new products or types of products that might transform the industry in the coming year, or perhaps the industry is shrinking as another slowly replaces it. Look for consolidation or expansion in the number of companies in the industry. How these factors affect your chosen company can vary dramatically, but it is important to understand what's going on in the industry. Give us a call +918 3910 94408. Register now www.stockbuysellsignal.com.